Welcome to chalkboard.com.ph, where learners and tutors meet. In this video, we'll show you how quick and easy you can get a tutor for your child. Just log on to www.chalkboard.com.ph and sign up as a parent. Just type in your date of birth and email address. After email verification, you may now log into your account. Fill out the registration page. Set up your child's profile by clicking the Add Child button. After setting up your child's profile, you may now start searching for a tutor. Type in the search bar what grade level or subject you're looking for. And then, a pool of expert tutors will be available for you to choose from. Click on the tutor's name to see their profile. To book a tutor, click the Request Session button. Select the grade level, subject, and choose the schedule that you want. You may also leave a note for your tutor. Finish your booking by clicking the Send Request button. You will see your session request under the Pending Sessions tab. You will receive a notification once the tutor accepts your request. You may now proceed to payment. Find the transaction under the Accepted Sessions tab and click the Pay Now button. Select your payment option and remember not to close the pop-up window. You will receive a notification once the payment is complete. Now, get ready to meet your tutor. To launch a session, click on your child's profile or your calendar and click the Launch Session in the Today's Session tab. It's that easy. Now you can start using Chalkboard's digital tools and your kids can have the best online learning experience. Join us today at Chalkboard. Sign up and book a tutor now at www.chalkboard.com.ph.